rifle's gonna be in this position right here, okay? So when we're getting ready to shoot, I'm gonna say, go ahead and close the bolt, make sure the gun is on safe. I'm gonna say, shooter's ready, so we're just kind of waiting for the next command. Shooter's ready. See how my finger's off the trigger? Fingers straighten off the trigger. I'm gonna say, stand by, stand by. You're gonna line the front sight with the rear on that orange dot there, okay, the bullseye. And you'll take it off safe. And when I give the command fire is the only time I should hear this. You hear that click? That's my safety. That's the only time I should hear that click, is after I give you that command to fire. Fire. And then you'll just press the trigger, the gun will go bang.
Nice shot, nice shot.
And then your finger will come off the trigger. The next step is gonna be cycle, cycle, cycle. And then back on safe, back on safe.